Hey folks, I'm Yummy Biker. This is the MT-09. This is the Insta360 X5. And today we're talking about the Insta360 Mic Air. I was hoping for a bit of sunshine. All we've got is cloud. I don't know what this is going to be like, so we'll see. I'm just going to give it a try at 30 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour, see if you can hear me talking, and see what that wind noise is like. So this is 30 miles an hour, trying to avoid the bumps. So 30 miles an hour, this helmet is very wind noisy, but what's it like? I have got the wind muff on the microphone because I want to give it every chance it's got, and you are so close to my mouth, it's probably like ASMR style. Hopefully it's not awful sounding. Now I think at the minute this is recording on just the microphone channel. You can set these up to record on the microphone and a separate channel for the camera. So we'll see what that's like. But for now I just want to get a little bit of speed and just see, eh? And we're off. So there we are, 30 miles an hour. It is a really windy day. Really windy day. And you get stuck behind a van. Now this is the first time using this camera on the bike. I have used other 360s on the bike. And this is on a, what's that, an 8-inch extension pole. So we have got a bit of wobble going off there. I mean, it's a firm setup, but with that on the, with the weight of the camera on the end of the stick, I mean that was a big bump there, it does give it a bit of wobble. Oh, did you let me go? Thank you, mate. "30 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour." It's a shame we've not got some blue sky. Maybe later. BYD. Build your dream. It's got a big dashboard in it. Big wheels, Michelin tyres. Very nice. Back down this road again, because I need to get to some faster roads. In the city now it is 30 miles an hour everywhere. Alright doggies, doggy doggy. Mr. Sweeper Cleaner Man. There's the big chair. "30 miles an hour." "30 miles an hour." So slow. Alright, me ducket. Speed bumps don't stop me. No, 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 no. Oh, this one does. Look at this, boom, boom. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, speed racer. In a red man, you shouldn't have gone. Can we go? They'll be able to go. Oh, I can go as well. And we've got a 40 miles an hour. Right, let's get up to speed. Okay, so we're doing, here we are, 40 miles an hour. How's that wind noise? I'm sure it is horrendous. Then you got me heavy breathing. But this is 40 miles an hour. 40, 40, 40. And then next we just need a bit of 70. 70 next. So it's now the afternoon and we have some sunshine, blue skies. It is goddamn freaking hot, like you would not believe. So that's 30. A dirty 30. Still a bit on the windy side. Right, here's the 50. I've also got the camera sound on. So that's 50. miles an hour. Speed camera. I don't know if you can still hear me, let's keep on talking. So this is 50 miles an hour. Here we go, ready, steady, go. 70. So this is 70 miles an hour. So this is 70 miles an hour. Can you still hear me? And the wind noise for me is horrendous because it's awful. It's not horrendous, but the wind noise is bad. Got a right bit of travel on the go on that camera. Don't even know if you can hear me. Big side wind that's there. That's 70 miles an hour. That is 5, 6, 7. 7, 10. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm going to get your thumbs up. Just on that 70.